Understanding Hreflang, a guide for global websites. Hreflang is essential for international SEO, guiding search engines to the right content. It improves user experience and visibility in search results. Hreflang tells search engines about language variations, avoiding duplicate content issues. This ensures users see the correct version of your site, enhancing global reach. The importance of Hreflang for international SEO. Hreflang is crucial for international SEO, improving visibility in search results. It helps target specific markets and avoid duplicate content issues. Hreflang clarifies content variations for search engines. This enhances user experience and boosts engagement. Happy users mean better SEO performance. Implementing Hreflang, a step-by-step guide. Add Hreflang tags to your website's HTML code. Use correct language and region codes like NUS or SES. Implement Hreflang through your XML sitemap for larger sites. Include a self-referential tag for each page. Ensure bidirectional Hreflang tags between language versions. Common Hreflang mistakes and how to avoid them. Use correct ISO language and region codes. Double-check codes to avoid errors. Include self-referential Hreflang tags. Check for broken links in Hreflang tags. Align canonical and Hreflang tags to avoid conflicts. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, benefits of proper Hreflang implementation. Proper Hreflang implementation brings numerous benefits. It improves user experience by ensuring users are directed to the correct language version of your website. This leads to increased engagement, lower bounce rates, and higher conversion rates. Happy users are more likely to become customers. A positive user experience also signals to search engines that your website is valuable and relevant. Hreflang helps avoid duplicate content penalties. By clarifying the relationship between different language versions of your content, Hreflang prevents search engines from seeing them as duplicates. This protects your website from penalties and helps maintain your search rankings. Duplicate content can severely hurt your SEO, so Hreflang is essential for avoiding this issue. Hreflang improves your website's visibility in international search results. By targeting specific regions and languages, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in relevant search results. This leads to increased organic traffic from different parts of the world, expanding your reach and growing your audience. Hreflang is a powerful tool for international SEO success. Hreflang can also improve your click-through rates, or CTRs. When users see search results in their preferred language, they are more likely to click on your link. This can boost your CTR and further improve your rankings. Higher CTRs indicate to search engines that your website is relevant to users' searches, which can positively impact your SEO performance. So, Hreflang can indirectly improve your CTR and boost your overall SEO.